Hi everyone, I am Pratima. I welcome you all to my channel. I thank all the subscribers for supporting. Today again with a very interesting question. Telescopic product, Maths Olympiad challenge. It is trigonometric functions. Product of n equals to 1 to infinity cos x over 2 raised to power n equals to sin x. So this can be written as product of n equals to 1 infinity cos x power 2n. This is nothing but your limit k tends to infinity cos product of n equals to 1 to k cos x by 2 power n. So it means that tending k to infinity, we can write this will be cos x over 2 power 1 cos x2 power 2 cos x2 power 3 so on up to cos x power k. Here limit k tends to infinity. I'll multiply a sine x by 2 both in the numerator and denominator. X by 4 cos x by 8 power k. Now in the next line 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2 will become sin x cos x by 4 cos x by 8 to cos x over 2 power k 2. Now this sin x by 2 can be written as 2 sin x by 4 into cos x by 4. Next line we will find that this will be cancelled. K tends to infinity. I'm getting sin x cos x by 8 cos x by 16, that means 2 power 4 2 power k. So here it will be again sin x power 4 can be split into 2. So it will be 2 into 2 into 2, 2 to the power 3 sine x over 8, that is 2 power 3 into cos x over 2 power 3, which will be cancelled with this. So observing this pattern, you can find that sine x cos x over 2 power k will be 2 to the power k into sine x2 power k and cos x2 power k. So this will be cancelled. All this will be cancelled in between. So limit x k tends to infinity, it would be sine x for 2 power k into sine x by 2 over k. But we have to prove that this is sine x by x. So what we'll do, limit k tends to infinity, multiply to the denominator So it will be limit x k tends to infinity sine x to infinity x to the power x over 2 power k over sine x by 2 power k. If we take x by 2k as y, so this would be same as your sine x left right, only sine x by x. This I am taking as y. So when k tends to infinity, y tends to 0. This will be also y. So this will becomes 1. So the result is sine x by x into y. Sine x by x. So I hope it is interesting to you.